What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is the ultimate portable microphone. So this USB microphone will fit any USB-A port, and the Samson, like Samson and Delilah, is really inexpensive. And actually, Amazon makes one that looks like a slightly different version, but actually might be even the same manufacturer for a little cheaper. But since these Samsons are so popular, sell quite well, thought I would take a look at this one in particular. Now, there's a couple things that I really am curious about and excited about, and then some that I'm not, but it's kind of the drawback of having little portable microphones. I will say it's really small, and taking a microphone with you on the road, especially when you're taking a bunch of other luggage and stuff, is can be kind of a pain. And so having something really small can be super, super nice. Now, I will say it does come with all the accessories you might need, including instruction booklet right there. And then we do have, and this is the piece that I'm probably least excited about, is this USB cable. And you can see it's mini USB as opposed to micro USB. Nothing uses mini anymore, so that's what I'm disappointed with. I wish it used micro instead. Here is the microphone itself. Man, this thing is small, I will give it that. And so I don't see many alternatives that are much more portable than this thing. This is all plastic. We get some little rubber feet here. Looks like we can see a little hole through there in the microphone, and all plastic housing. You know, this seems like metal. This seems like plastic. And then the microphone, okay, swivels out. You can see it's all like on a little hinge right there. And this piece kind of clamps down. It's really heavy spring-loaded. That's what holds that sucker in there like that. But now if I swing it out, you can see we have a little rubber pad right there. So what we can see is the microphone through that hole, and that'll prevent it from sliding out, but also not being scratched. There's a rubber pad right under here too, the same type of material. So that kind of clamps it down for travel. And then when you pivot it out, you can pivot out like this. And then I think it's like a cardioid. You know, you kind of just speak into it. Kind of looks like a cool little microphone. If it were bigger, you would just think of it as kind of a standard microphone. I like the metal grate over this. It does come in black as well. And you can see we do have a headphone jack there, so you can monitor your audio. And then you have mini USB plug right there. Again, not a big problem, but you're gonna always have micro USB cables with you wherever you go, and so it's kind of nice to have that. So right there we have, cardioid, I'm not sure what that one is, and then just omnidirectional, I think, a little switch right there. So also comes with a little case, so if we were to put this thing back here like that, put this in here, nice tight little fit. Samson, a little hard-sided case, doesn't get much easier to travel with. You're gonna have to put this in your cable box or your cable accessories, but cool little travel case too. So now we can try it out. All right, so I have my iPhone set up, recording me right now, and I'm just using the built-in microphone on the phone. And I want to compare this audio with the audio that we get out of our Samson microphone, which is right here. So I'm gonna plug it in and I'll try it out. All right, so I've got the microphone plugged in, and you might be able to see there, a little green light goes on, and I think that's showing me that it is indeed working. So I actually want to just set it right here, you know, about halfway between the camera and myself. It's about 1.5 feet away from me, and then the camera's about 1.5 feet further back. Now I will tell you that even though this base is kind of heavy, the microphone doesn't want to kind of stay up. It's kind of almost teetering over. So I feel like you want to kind of turn it in like this just to center it. So now I definitely have it facing me, and as I talk into it, I can actually see the little green light flashes red sometimes. So I think that is kind of showing me the gain, and I don't know if I really need to kind of be really into it. The closer I'm into it, it's flashing green and red, so I think obviously it's picking up more. Now I'm only about 8 inches away from the microphone. I don't know that I would want to be sitting that close to it generally, because then you can hear me breathe. Luke, I am your father. But this is the audio quality. Haven't done any other configuration, just using the standard camera default app on my phone. And so this is what you can expect from it. So hopefully it sounds pretty good, because this is really the microphone that I'm expecting to take with me. So if I'm doing podcasts or videos from the road, this one is going to be the one that can easily slip into the pocket of my backpack. Hey, if you want to check out this Samson microphone, it's very inexpensive and very portable. I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.